Caution: always wear the protective goggles and gloves came with the printer when performing the cleaning. Should ink come in contact with your skin or eyes, use water to remove and clean the affected area immediately. When performing the cleaning, use Maintenance Washing Liquid Kit, SPC0369, for solvent ink, or Cleaning Liquid Bottle Kit, SPC0137, for sublimation ink. Perform the cleaning with the media removed. Go to Maintenance, Station Maintenance, Carriage Out, Station Maintenance, and press the Enter key. The carriage slides over the platen. Clean the cap rubber. Let a dropper suck up small amount of the maintenance solution and drip the liquid in the disposable cup. Let the clean stick absorb the maintenance solution. Never pour the remaining liquid in the cup back to the bottle. Wipe off the ink on the cap rubber with the clean stick soaked with the maintenance solution. If you find the clean stick is soaked up with ink, replace it to the new, and continue the cleaning. Once finished the cleaning, press the Enter key. Now the capping station is all cleaned up. Double-check your requests for care and maintenance, and operation manual as well. Perform the daily maintenance to keep the printer at its best.